Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact sound you want. Pick MP3 or WAV for broad compatibility, and make sure it's clean and loud enough. Once chosen, trim the clip to 30 seconds or less because many phones enforce length limits. Use a simple editor on your phone or computer. Then save a high-quality copy and transfer it to your desktop or cloud so you can work with the full file. This sets you up to edit precisely and avoid rework later. Next, open a lightweight audio editor and mark the exact start and end points. You want the most recognizable slice up front. Normalize the volume so it rings at a consistent level, and add a quick fade-in or fade-out if necessary to avoid clipping. Once satisfied, export to the phone's preferred format, MP3 for Android, M4R for iPhone, or convert using a reputable converter. Make sure sample rate and bitrate match phone recommendations to prevent playback issues. Finally, install the ringtone. If you have an iPhone, import the M4R into iTunes or Finder and sync it to your device. Then select it in Sounds and Haptics. If you have Android, copy the MP3 into the ringtones folder and pick it from Sound Settings. Once set, test the ringtone. If it won't play, make sure the file is the correct format, and under the time limit, check volume normalization, and reconvert if necessary. Those fixes solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.